In today's video, I'm going to share with you something so awesome. It's a camping hack that you won't be able to live without, and it only costs $10. Coming up. Hi, we're Let's Go Now Adventures, and today we're sharing that great camping hack. This is a hack that costs less than $10, and you may not want to go camping without it. I know that we don't. So it all starts at the most unlikely store, and that's Home Depot. At Home Depot, you might recognize this. This is the Homer bucket. This is less than $3 to pick up this 5-gallon bucket. The other part is this. You'll find this over in the toolkits area. It's called a bucket jockey. Now this bucket jockey goes into here. Now what we're going to do is, through the power of video, is we're going to work this bucket jockey into that bucket, and it goes like this. Voila, there you go. The bucket jockey inside of the bucket. So what we've got here is a whole bunch of pouches on the outside, and on the inside there's more pouches, but we've got all that space on the inside. So this is how we use this to become one of our most important pieces of camping equipment, through the magic of video again. And voila, we've got a little bucket full of all of the kind of camping gear that you'd always like to keep at arm's reach. You can just take this with you wherever you go. So for example, I'm not going to cover everything that's in here, but we've got carabiners, we've got lighters, matches, paracord, glow sticks, you can't leave home without those, pocket knife, handy screwdriver, mallet, work gloves, duct tape, a fire mitten. You can actually reach and grab things that are hot in here. I've got the first aid kit, must have, but we've got, let's see, mosquito repellent, flashlight, sunscreen, tent stakes, bungee cords, inside, the hammer, all the pockets inside. Let's see what else I have down here. And a citronella candle. All that's in one easy grab and go bucket that you can just take with you everywhere you go. It's so handy. Now this is what we have in our bucket. This is what we found that we like to have handy at arm's reach during our campouts. Your items may be different, but it's really a nice thing. Just take it out, have it in a central location where you camp, and everybody knows. If you need a pair of scissors, the bucket. If you need a lighter to light the fire, boom, it's right here. If you need some batteries to recharge your headlamp, right here in this bucket. Everything you need is right here. So thank you for watching our video today. I hope that you find this camping hack as useful as I do. I know that we use it every single time. So if you like the video, just hit that like button down at the bottom. Be sure to subscribe, which is right down there in the corner, or this one right up here. And check out our other videos right over here over my other shoulder. Thank you again for watching from Let's Go Now Adventures. You have a great day.